Hey guys, it's me, Robin Joy, here back with another video, and today I'm just going to be sharing my go-to simple glam makeup routine. This is what I usually do if I want to give a little bit more extra than an everyday makeup look. Oh, who am I playing? I would wear this every day. But that's just me. I'm that type of girl. But if you want to follow along and see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so let's get started. I was gonna do some new products with you guys today, but I decided to just do my go-to glam because I really haven't done that on this channel yet. So let's do that. So first I'm gonna go in with my Milk Hydro Grip primer. I usually use this primer most times, but especially in the winter time. Okay, so next I usually go in with my foundation. Today we're going to be using NARS Soft Matte Complexion Foundation. NARS is like my favorite brand, period, when it comes to foundations. Like, all of their foundations mesh well with me. I do notice that I don't really have to color correct with this foundation. I don't know if it has to do with the undertones or what, but if you need a good reliable foundation that you don't really have to like second guess, easy to work with but still gives you like that glam effect, this is one of my favorites. I am going to be going in with my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. I'm going to be using shades 4.4 and 4.5. 4.5 is going to go basically all over my face, but I'm going to put a little bit of 4.4 in the inner corners of my eyes just to give my eyes like a lighter effect. I like to take a brush when I use this concealer because I can be a little heavy-handed. Now if I'm like pressed for time, I will still take the applicator and go in, but most times I will still like use a brush. Ooh, and I did not wet my beauty sponge. Oh my Lord. But I'm gonna go ahead and still go in with my concealer shade for my contour. This is the 24 Hour Max Studio Fix. So I like to use this most times because it just dries down quicker. And just blend that in. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer now. I just like to take like this side of my sponge and blend out my edges. Now I want to take my liquid blush. This is Rare Beauty's Joy. Trying to hurry up and work that in, you guys, because I do need to set my concealer under eye before I crease. But I just needed to make sure that I can kind of go over the tops of my cheeks. This is the One Size translucent setting powder. I love this powder, y'all. I also like to go in and set my smile lines, y'all. Like, you gotta set those smile lines because I smile way too much. I'm a happy girl. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my bronzer. Today I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty's Cocoa Naughty. I know it's looking scary right now, y'all, but just stick with me. Yeah, we're basically just hitting all the places that we used our concealer to contour. Now I'm going to go in with Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in the shade Dark by MAC. Now I use this shade to not only set the places that I have not set already with foundation, but also to blend my makeup so that everything is seamless. And I like using this powder for this because it's blendable. I know some people say not to swirl, but if you use products that set a little bit quicker, or you take the time to let that product set, you can swirl. That's actually how you make sure that everything is blended, or at least kind of like a trick I've used. And now for my blush, I'm going to be using Pat McGrath Labs Cosmic Coral. So I'm going to take this brush, you guys, and just go back in with that. So I am going to take my finishing powder Bay and just lightly dust my under eye just to give me a little bit more of a brightening effect. Now I'm going to just melt this makeup in. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. Okay guys, I did my brows off camera. I used the Precisely My Brow pencil along with their setting gel. This is the shade 4.5 and this is just clear. Usually when I do my simple go-to glam, I'm not using more than 2 shades. I'm going to be using Mario Erythral Eyes. I'm going to be using EE9. And yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do, because I just want just a little color on the eyes today. And what I'm doing is I'm starting in the crease, you guys, and I'm just blending down into my lids. Sometimes I will use a brown liner to tight line, but today I'm going to use my black liner to tight line, only because I'm not going to use lashes today. But I'm just going to tight line with the Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion, and then I'm going to go in my waterline with the shade Whiskey, which is actually a brown shade. Now I'm going to take the same EE9 shade and just go under my waterline. And I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt highlighter. I'm going to go in with Afternoon Snack. And I think I want to take just the EE1 shade and go in on the top. I'm just going to take the other side of this brush and dust off the extra powder that might be left. And y'all know I've gotten into the habit now of setting my face one more time before I go in with my mascara. This is the Makeup Finishing Spray Bridal Edition by Scandinavia. I was going to use my legit lashes, but I'm going to shake it up and give y'all a little something different today. I'm going to use Lancome's Booster XL along with their Lash Idol. We're gonna do 2 coats up top at the very least. Okay guys, so I went and put a shirt on. Let me finish my lips. I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Loud line in the shade Total Baller. Then I'm gonna go in with Nubian Sand by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to finish it off with NYX Cosmetics Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. Okay guys, so that's the finished look. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, again, my name is Robin Joy. I do fitness, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle content. So if you like that type of content, if that's your thing, or even if you just stuck around all the way to the end and you love what you see, be sure to subscribe down below. Also, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. That helps me with the algorithm. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.